Many people move through life without ever realizing that they are wasting the most valuable resource they possess: time. Time can never be replaced, repaired, or restored. Once it is gone forever. Yet most individuals live as if they have endless years ahead of them, as if another chance will always appear, and as if their potential can wait. The truth is simple and unavoidable. Life does not pause, and it does not slow down for anyone. Every day that passes is moving you either closer to your purpose or further away from it. People often waste their life because they choose comfort over growth. Comfort feels safe, familiar, and predictable. Growth feels uncertain, challenging, and sometimes painful. But comfort is the silent enemy of progress. Persuades you to stay where you are, even when you know you should move forward. It keeps your dreams distant, your skills undeveloped, and your courage unused. If you stay in your comfort zone too long, it becomes a cage. Many also waste their life by living on autopilot. They wake up, work, scroll, eat, sleep, and repeat without questioning whether their actions align with their values or their future. When you stop thinking intentionally, you stop living purposefully. Life becomes a cycle of habits instead of a journey of meaning. If you do not choose your direction, the world will choose it for you, and it will rarely choose something that benefits your soul. The first step to stop wasting your life is awareness. You must confront the fact that your time is limited. You do not know how many days you have left, so you must live each one with intention. You must make the decision to live consciously instead of automatically. When you acknowledge the truth about time, you begin to value your life more deeply. People waste their life because they stay trapped in harmful patterns that quietly steal their potential. Fear is one of the most powerful of these patterns. Fear whispers that you are not ready, that you will fail, that you are not talented enough, and that other people will judge you. Fear convinces you that waiting is safer than trying. But waiting is the very thing that destroys dreams. The moment you allow fear to control your choices, you begin to shrink your future. Another destructive pattern is distraction. Modern life is filled with endless noise. Notifications, entertainment, gossip, and busywork that gives the illusion of productivity. Distraction keeps you occupied but never fulfilled. Keeps your mind active but never focused. You may feel tired at the end of each day without having moved any closer to a meaningful goal. When distraction becomes a habit, clarity disappears. Comparison is another trap that wastes life. When you constantly measure your progress against other people, you rob yourself of joy and confidence. Comparison blinds you to your own strengths and convinces you that you are behind, even if you are exactly where you need to be. You are not meant to follow someone else's path. Your journey is unique, and your timing has its own purpose. To break free, you must reclaim control over your attention, your decisions, and your mindset. You must learn to say no to the habits that drain your energy. You must create environments that support growth instead of limiting it. You must choose courage over comfort, even when courage feels heavy. Progress begins the moment you stop allowing your old patterns to dictate your future. Stopping the waste of your life is not only about eliminating bad habits. It is about building a life that feels meaningful, purposeful, and aligned with who you are meant to become. Fulfillment does not arrive by accident. It is created through daily discipline, long-term vision, and the willingness to do hard things. Your future self is shaped by what you choose to do today, not by what you promise to do someday. Begin by defining what matters to you. If you do not know your values, you cannot build a life around them. Ask yourself what kind of person you want to become. Ask yourself what impact you want to leave. Ask yourself which dreams feel alive in your heart, even if they scare you. Once you gain clarity, your decisions become easier because they are no longer random. You begin to live with direction instead of drifting. Next, take responsibility for your growth. You cannot become stronger without discipline. You cannot gain skills without practice. You cannot create opportunities without effort. Responsibility frees you because it reminds you that you are not a victim of circumstance. You are the builder of your own path. Finally, understand that it is never too late to begin again. You are allowed to release the past. You are allowed to create a new chapter. You are allowed to transform your life even if you have wasted years. What matters is what you do next. The moment you choose intention, your life shifts. Your time is precious, Your purpose is calling. Your future is waiting. Stop wasting your life. Begin living it fully, bravely, and intentionally starting today.